Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change screen of iPhone 8 Plus. You can see the iPhone 8 Plus screen touch is very missing, so I'll have to change it. I purchased new screen from China, Alibaba. You can also get it from anywhere aftermarket. It will be a bit expensive. It costed me around $150. You may get cheaper in aftermarket like Fee Center Hall Road in Lahore, I guess Lahore, Pakistan. So unscrew the ear strip screws. Be gentle. Be gentle with all the flexes. Make sure you place thumbprint very leniently. Very leniently. Remove the back paper of the screen. Remove ear flex camera. Now place on new screen. Just be gentle. Take all the time you have. Just be gentle. Make sure all the strips don't bend. If one bend, it will be repaired or replaced. So make sure of it. Make sure the thumb strip is intact with the panel strip so that it would work exact and accurate. The fitting is slightly changed, so I'll remove the thumb and check manually if it attaches with it or not. Make sure if you install new screen there must be no white spots on the screen, so check it before you buy the screen. Screw all the screws where you unscrew them. This is the plate. Wrap the plate back up. Install the screws of the plate. The lower model screen replacement is a headache, but you should be skilled when you try it because it has very small flexes and the screws all around them, so it's hard to change the screen of lower models like below iPhone X models, iPhone 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is iPhone 8 Plus. Make sure you intact screws with the alignment of the screen. Be gentle with all the work. Don't damage the screen at all. Don't remove paper from the screen if you haven't installed it yet. Once you installed it, then you can remove the paper from the screen. Now the air flex is up. We screw the plates. Now let's check the panel. One screw is missing. Let me do it first. Now let's attach the strips of the new screen and check if panel works. Here Apple logo appears now. Make sure you check all the touch before you patch it up. So all good. Now patch the phone and we are good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Like